All right, thanks for tuning into Leading Forecast. And tell you what, a lot of rain falling here across central Indiana today, and it was a much needed rain. As we go on over to look at the rain totals, you can see quite a bit up towards Warren, Fountain, Montgomery County, up towards Lafayette, and then even out towards Vigo County and Terre Haute, and then down towards Monroe County. They had over 3 inches of rain in some places, and in Morgan County, down there having over 2 inches of rain as well. So we had right around an inch in places here in the city. It didn't take care of our drought fully, but anything at this point helps. Storm reports today. We did have a large line of storms move in this afternoon, and we did have some hail reports out of Owen County, as well as some wind reports all the way down from Knox counties all the way into Brown and through southern Indiana as that line of storms did move through. Right now the rain is situated down to our south, and it looks like we have gotten that out of here, and we're going to be over with as far as precip for the next several days. In fact, the outlook looking pretty clear, and there's a big change in the outlook. Right now we're sitting at 67 in Indianapolis and Bloomington. This was as the 11 o'clock hour rolled around. 70 in Terre Haute, 66 in Lafayette, and 72 in Anderson. Now as we go on over, take a look at Doppler radar, you can see all that rain is to our south. A few showers to the north, but the most of those are not hitting the ground at this hour. Going on over, there's your line of storms that moved through, caused all the damage. A severe thunderstorm watch still is in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time and midnight Eastern for Kentucky, but I think that'll probably be dropped as the big line of storms starts to move to the south and southeast. There's your satellite picture. Storms blowing up along the cold front that is moving through the night, and the slight risk now has been pushed off into the southern portion of the state, and really not even in effect down across the southern portion of Indiana, probably more into Kentucky and northern Tennessee. Well, here's this dip in the jet stream that's been moving through, and as that moved through, that's what caused some thunderstorms to develop. Today, we hit a high of 82 in the city. We didn't get very warm, especially up in Lafayette, where that rain moved through earlier, 75, 87 in Bloomington, where the rain moved through later. So we did get warmer south. Here's that cold front that's moving through. Winds are shifting from the south, now out of the west and northwest here across central Indiana, and by the time we hit the 5 p.m. tomorrow, they're going to be blowing out of the north, and that's bringing some big fall-like changes for your weekend. Tonight, 63 here in Indianapolis for your low, 60 in Lafayette, 62 in Terre Haute and Bloomington, and we're going to call for 68 in Columbus, where that cold front isn't going to move through till a little later. This is the 500 millibar trough that's going to move through. This is going to move down to your south and to your east, and this is going to cause some cooler weather for the weekend. Tomorrow's high 74 in Indianapolis and Columbus, 75 in Bloomington, and 73 in Lafayette. 5-day forecast, mostly sunny tomorrow, 74. Fall-like for your weekend, 76 and sunny, partly cloudy Sunday, 78. 78 Monday, mostly sunny, and mostly sunny on Tuesday.